We're back on a Saturday. Sam.
What's up?
He's back. Got him convinced. So, currently just working on resealing this. Sam stopped at his job and went and got some RTV, FIPG, whatever. So that is going on now. We're going to get this sealed up. I'm going to take the adapter off here and we'll meet in the middle. Swap out the flanges. Toss it in the car.
Yeah.
It's going to be...
We got to get that bushing in the subframe first.
And we got to get one bushing into the car. So we're going to do all that real quick. It's going to be like...
Right.
Junky.
You happy with that?
Well, I don't fucking know, but if you're happy with it, I am. Yep. Does it leak?
Maybe.
If it doesn't leak, I'm super happy. If it leaks, I'm mildly happy.
That'll be fine. I need that.
Yeah. 1 second. This last one. And I'll get that axle nut off, or at least the sockets get the axle nut. I can get it back to you. There you go.
Well, this will only take a few seconds.
So Sam, you're using what?
A bearing puller for a differential bearing puller.
Oh, okay.
As a backstop. I don't know. For the
To pull the bushing through.
Yeah. But everything's so wobbly in here. It's kind of getting crooked. See, like that. So it's not exactly cooperating the way I hoped. That's all it needed. It just needed to be muscled in there, like you said.
Don't smash.
Just had to give it no option other than to go in.
It's got a little more to go, yeah?
Yeah.
Woo!
There she blows.
Just large enough to be sketchy.
Yep, right on the edge.
Living on the edge, Sam. That's what we're doing. Welcome to JDMKE, living on the edge. Yeah, we got, I don't know, 2 turns of engagement. Should be good. 2 quarter turns of engagement. Wow. This is a crucial part that you just decided to bring with here.
I had an idea.
Oh, that's nice. Also had to go run and get a special socket for this because it is 36 millimeters or 1 3/8 of an inch, which if you live in Wisconsin and you have to go to an auto parts store and they have literally nothing metric that's large, that's what you need to do. So
Yeah, why would they have metric? Why would they have metric tools at an auto parts store?
Yeah, weird. Why would they have
cars? Metric? Cars aren't metric.
And Northern Tools farther for me, and Harbor Freight was farther, and I went to literally 3 places. Went to O'Reilly, went to Advance Auto, and Napa. And Napa, you know, for all the junk they have, sometimes they come through for you. Napa's like the home of weird stuff. You know, if you need something that's off of the norm. Wow. Okay, that's incredible. And that was clearly the right tool for the job there. Now I'm guessing the other diff, the center, that flange is a little different in size. That's interesting because the seal I thought was going to be part of that.
No.
That's good, honestly. All right, well, Sam, that was the right call. Nice work.
Nice and easy.
That's
what we like.
That was the way we wanted to do that. Oh my God, that was wonderful. Okay.
I like them when they're easy.
Now, I'm going to buzz off this other one. Stand it up, buzz it off. Will it leak out of the vent?
I mean, it can.
Okay.
But all we need to do is get it up like that.
Okay. Where's the... And we are going to do this with, you know, pretty soon my favorite tool, the Stubby Impact. This thing is wonderful. Shout out Joel, Milwaukee Tool.
Friend of the show.
Friend of the show. Just the best. Milwaukee Tool advocate. And, you know, always there to support us when we're out of any tools. But yeah, Joel, thanks. Product placement. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Milwaukee Tool, but love this thing. Let's see if it can Hulk this one off. It got the last one. Yeah, dude, this thing is tough.
For a 12 volt?
Yeah,
that's
M12.
Pretty crazy.
It's pretty insane, dude. This thing can do it. Joel tried to tell me early on. He's like, you got to be using the Stubby. And I was like, I just use the regular one.
You just do it that way too.
Wow, you know, that looks convenient.
Right.
So these are interchangeable. So if you have a LS or GS430 and you want to use the diff flange, which quite honestly, I should use the big one. Big power, right? Stronger.
Right. Yeah.
Whatever. Here we are. I also just found out by Googling this yesterday that they make a new flange for Toyota diffs, and I need to find out if I can buy one that goes directly to a standard U-joint, like a 1350 or 1310, which is like Spicer. I don't know who makes those things, but Dana, well, I don't know, I need some of those people. All right, German torque specs.
All right.
So she stops.
Nice.
Okay. And also on this episode, you'll be able to see us not replace that seal and see if we pay for it later.
Yeah. Yeah.
We will see. All right, so that's ready to go in after quite a bit of work.
Yeah, we got to get that adapter on.
By the way, this drift motion piece, very nice.
Yeah.
I would like to just say that. I know a lot of people have a lot of different opinions about drift motion. That guy, Aaron, I think is his name. Nice guy. I've literally talked with him on the phone when asking him questions about modifying his parts. Very nice guy. Especially for how busy I'm sure he is. There's no reason why I needed to take my phone call, but that was awesome. Just giving her one more.
Oh, did you phase it properly before you tighten those down?
100%.
Good.
Already done.
Thank God.
Can't believe you'd even ask. What does this look like? What do I look like? A YouTube mechanic?
I'm gonna grab the fluid.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead. Go up again. Up. Okay, up. All right. Keep going up. Okay, stop. That looks nice, dude.
It does look nice.
That looks like very fucking nice and solid.
Here we are, the following day. Sam and I have managed to get together with a little bit of sunlight left to, which is currently scorching my retinas, to take this thing for a cruise and kind of just feel how it is. I mean, this is pretty crazy. Right now, I'm in second gear.
Wow, that is nice.
I know. I mean, I think it's made a pretty significant difference.
Yeah, and not,
And here's off the gas.
yeah,
I mean, it's so much quieter.
that is much, much better.
Which is hilarious because you're putting poly mounts in to replace rubber ones, but still getting a quieter car.
Yeah.
Which makes no sense. And that was one of Sam's big arguments with me. So he was like, well, I think if you get more in there, you're going to get more more contact with the chassis, which I understand.
Right, more and stiffer mounts.
Yeah.
Usually would transfer vibrations more and more noise and more feel and all sorts of things. But
yeah, I mean, I totally get that. But
this is great.
In actual testing, that's not how it really turned out, you know?
Yeah.
So we got the diff in, and it has been really nice. I was able to get to the car show that I wanted to go to.
Yeah, this is really nice. You still have third gear?
This is third gear, yeah.
Wow.
And off gas. I know.
Silent.
It's insane. Like, that thing that I was feeling was clearly related to the mounts.
Yeah.
And potentially the differential, I don't know.
Yeah, it's not sluggish either.
It's not. And
it doesn't feel like it's got way too tall of gears, which is what I was afraid of.
I was terrified of that. I was like, and this has made it absolutely wonderful. I really want to do some of that DEI insulation type stuff in the tunnel on the bottom side of the car.
Mm-hmm.
So I kind of have that in the plans. I'm going to get that material, but I'm not going to mess with that until we mess with the trans tunnel itself.
Yeah.
So,
makes sense.
Do that all in one thing. And it's good like this.
So, very nice.
I know.
Well, that's really cool that even the factory higher gear ratio from the GS works so well with this.
Well, and now that we know
really
that,
nice.
Now that we know that we love this, then now we can proceed with the LSD options that we want to do. So that'll be up next. All right, well, we're really happy with that. Super excited that this gear ratio is not total junk in this car. And as we add power, it should just get cooler and cooler, really.
Yeah, I'm real happy we got that done.
Yeah, thanks, Sam, for your assistance there. We really knocked that out over the course of like 2 days. This is 2 videos that we made, but I couldn't put it together in one. It was weird. Plus, I wanted to get this driving footage because we haven't taken you along for a ride yet in the car.
Right.
So, refinement, it's going great. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe. And we'll keep doing this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Cheers.